Welcome. Thanks for joining us here at the 2024 Florida RV SuperShow. Today we are pumped to share with you the new 2024 Entegra Condor 22T Class C motorhome. This unit is powered by a 3.5 liter, 310 horsepower EcoBoost V6 engine with 400 foot-pounds of torque, sitting on a Ford Transit 350 HD all-wheel chassis, and is great for off-road camping. The gross vehicle weight rating comes in at 11,000 pounds, with an exterior length of 22 feet and 11 inches. It comes equipped with all-terrain tires, a tire pressure monitoring system, Entegra's Easy Drive and Handling package, which features a computer-balanced drive shaft, Howig helper springs, a standard front stabilizer bar, and a heavy-duty rear stabilizer bar. Some features include a 14-foot awning on the side with an optional 7-foot awning along the back of the RV and an optional small outdoor kitchen. 2 twin beds that convert into a king-size bed, and a 360-watt roof-mounted solar panel with a 2,000-watt inverter. Also included on this unit is a 20-pound propane tank with LP Quick Connect hookup, as well as a 2,800-watt gas generator. This RV has a 53-gallon freshwater tank, a 51-gallon gray water tank, and a 4.75-gallon black water tank. To keep you warm in the cooler months, this RV comes equipped with a 17,000 BTU furnace and a 13,500 BTU air conditioner to keep you cool in those warmer months. Well, enough talking about some of the features and specifications of this unit, let's get a closer look at what this 2024 Entegra Condor 22T has to offer, starting with the outside. Get to your plumbing back here if needed. Ladder inside it comes with. Coming around the back, you have another access point. And then this would be the other side access. Outlets in there and such. Here's your wet bay. Filter. Got a hose down there. Right inside this door. Power hookup on this side. Here's your holding tank, black holding tank. And you do have a little bit of storage on the outside. Not so much in that one. A little bit more in that one. Now you know what you're going to put in the other. And here we have a Onan QG 2800 gas-powered generator. Once you open a door, you can access where you put the gas in the RV right here. And if you see on top, there is a bunk. Turns into a bunk up there. So going inside here, you walk in to your little dinette setup. There is storage underneath. Seat belts behind as well. You have a charge bay for USB as well as an outlet there. This drops down into a small bed. And then looking in the front here, up above you have some storage. Nice cockpit area here. Alright, looking up, you'll find your access to the bunk that's on the roof. Above the dinette you have this little bit of storage. Here's your control center. There's no power in the RV, sorry. The lighting might not be the best right now. Then over here you have your kitchen area. Your lights and such on the side. Here's your main power on and off. For the sink, you have this wood cutting board on top, and it is a deep sink. Telescoping faucet. Storage right next to the microwave in the kitchen. And then you have this small microwave in here. And a little speaker system here for music. For the shades. Very nice. And this opens up. And coming around to the side, other side here, below the control center, you have a little bit of shelf. Very little. A little bit of counter, I guess. A little bit more storage underneath. I guess you could call that your pantry. And then here is the wet bath. This one looks a little bit easier to stand in. I've seen them where they're more tight than this. The toilet paper roll here gets covered so it don't get wet during a shower. Mirror in the back. Here's your sink. This flips up, and there you go for a sink. See if this opens. It looks like this opens. Yeah, so we have this little tight area for a medicine cabinet and a couple shelves. That was my elbow. That didn't feel good. And then I guess you do have a little hanging area if you want to hang your clothes. And this looks like it comes unattached. So if you don't want it in your way, you can move it. And then you do have a little shower curtain set up. And here we have the refrigerator, which is pretty tight. Freezer. Then above you have another storage section. In the back we have our twin beds. This does turn into a king size bed. Underneath you have some storage on both sides. Ladder. It's another ladder. You got a couple ladders in this one. These are not soft closing drawers, just so you know. And up above we have some more storage. Now right above this is the air conditioning unit. Window in the back and one on either side. This one's your emergency exit. The other one on the other side here is the same size. And here you do have room for a TV hookup mounted on the wall there. And over here, a little hanger. And you could put up more hangers.
Hi, Chuckles the Squirrel here. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that subscribe button. Take care everyone.